I like that intro music. Good morning, one. Good morning, all. Give me a hello in the chat bot room up there. I know you guys aren't bots, but give me a hello, like a +1 in the chat if you can hear this sound coming over to you, if the signal is punching through. And shout out to Chili Rainbow, already dropping the frickin' memberships. Holy shit. Thank you very much, my good man. Apologies for the delay. I had to put in a new water jug into the hot water dispenser. Apparently, I'm the only person who feels like doing these things. It's like putting the shopping cart back after you're done. If the water dispenser is empty at the end of the cup pour that you put in, do you put a new water jug in that dispenser? I do. I don't know about you, but I do. It seems like a common courtesy. Unbelievable. Shout out to Crypto Pricey, the guys in the beast mode at the moment, working around the clock. You know, I've been hitting it hard. And I don't think this World War III situation is going to let me work any less hard. It's going to be more work, but I'm here for you guys. This is what I wanted all those years ago when I said I wanted a job where I could be heard, provide for my family, and also have the ability to live far deep into the woods. Turn the stream. I'm just going to have to get closer to it, buddy, because it's me. It's me right here. And you know what? I might be coming through. I might be not. I'm fighting a battle in the chest. It's starting to come out. It's starting to feel better. Did some damn squats this morning. I had a problem. This is a tungsten ring. And the room. God, look at this room. There's Jeffrey. This ring dropped accidentally onto that marble or whatever table and freaking broke. It like chipped tungsten. So I'm gonna have to call the jeweler and be like, what the hell is this garbage you selling me? Holy God. That Vance debate last night with Waltz was one hell of a spectacle, wasn't it? That was hella good to watch. Vance is really growing on me. No, I live actually almost to Alabama, Mungus. But I drive to Atlanta because I love what I do. Spend a lot of time on the roads. I do, up here in Kennesaw, it's not necessarily like smack dab Atlanta. Atlanta itself, proper, I hate going in there. Taking a morning sip. You guys got a morning sip? Some hot beverage? Let's have some together this wonderful morning. It was a good time last night. I was watching the debate. And right before the debate happened, I decided to long because I'm a complete cretin. And I'm trading on 2-bit. We have a 2-bit trading competition. I'm not in the competition, but I'm up in the trenches with you guys, even when the blood, the guts are all over the place. Let's see here. So I'm going to go ahead, check this out on index. Let's go to Bitcoin index. See what we had here, because I had some fun last night trading this thing. So basically, I just decided to put in a long at $60,700. We had a couple points. It did punch below that. It punched all the way down near to 60,000 flat. This is 60,200 right there on the wick. But I saw it kind of finding a little bit of love in this 60,700 spot. So I put in a long. Of course, Vet and Nick, they wanted me out right here. I was like, no, I ain't leaving. I ended up selling at right around $61,750. So I didn't do too bad for myself. It looks like I had 2 tries to break it above and beyond that. Now we're back down to the bottom side of it. Let's see what we got working on. This is a 15-minute time frame. All kinds of dots being printed here, but this market is hard to trust right now, folks. We got a lot of macroeconomic news that could break today about Israel and freaking Iran and all these crazy proxy wars that are building up into World War III. Not to mention Russia, North Korea, China, Taiwan. I mean, the list goes on. It's just absolutely insane, and there's a lot of fear in the markets. There's a lot of, oh my God, is the bull market over? And I really want to say something that kind of rings true, because I was saying at the beginning of this week, it kind of has flu season vibes. The media and their scare doom tactics, it kind of got the flu season vibes to me. And it just feels a little suspect. It feels a little suspect to be told to batten down the hatches while I see BlackRock out there hammering billions of dollars into Bitcoin. According to them a few years ago, funny money, not even real, garbage. And now they're hammering billions of dollars into it. What sense does that make? So we have a few things. We have China already flooding its market with quantitative easing. Okay, the markets in China, they were hoisted back up off of their doom spiral by quantitative easing already. We also have the Fed with another 50 base points outlook of cuts before the year's end. That's crazy. I kind of took it like if we got 50 base points, I'd be like dad coming home drunk from the bar and all the kids running away scared. Instead, the kids, they're like, all right, dad, let's party. And then the kids start bouncing on the couches and throwing freaking pictures through the windows. Unbelievable. That's how the markets reacted when we saw that 50 base point cut. I don't know what else to tell you. It's outside of reason. But this, and then on top, I forgot we covered it yesterday, the port situation, the strike at the ports. And remember the strikes at the manufacturing facilities for the vehicles. Now all those manufacturing jobs are being lost to automation. Shake and Bake thinks we're getting 75 base points before the end of the year. Holy shit. Jesus. I mean, it follows the stagflationary pattern that I've kept showing, the 70 to 80s. We have like a season of weakness in the Fed. They'll overdo their weakness, trying to cozy everyone back into the economy. And then the beatings continue. And it's an unfortunate thing in history that happened, but the main problem that we have right now is houses aren't 50 grand. They're 450 grand. So, an 18% interest rate on that $500,000 home, that's going to crush the middle class. We also have global money supply soaring. It's hoisting up the China markets. We have all these things happening, all these wrenches being pulled in the background to make sure that the little Ponzi scheme of fiat currency keeps kicking down the road, teetering as it may. They want it to keep going. So, just keep that in mind. I know that the beginning of this, and damn, we need to find the guy who invented the word Uptober, because that is fake. This is October. We are in October right now. Right before the election, granted. Let's check this out. Let's find where I'm going to put in my next trade, folks. Let's do it. So, this is the daily. The RSI is right around the halfway point. I do like seeing that. The RSI was cooked well up in this upswing here. So we're on the daily. We're backed up first and foremost. Get this to give me some new. And I'm really liking just using the visible profile range of this entire, essentially since we broke up to 72K. There's a lot of data here for me to work off of. So I'm feeling good about using that. I don't necessarily feel the need to back up and use the fixed range profile that would be coming up. Why could you back up? I hate IMAX. I hate them. I'll show you this. Because I could use the fixed range profile from the last bull market. Definitely could. What in the world is going on here? This is Blowfin. Oh, Samsonite. All right. Let's go here. Let's go to the week. All right. Because this is where the mega bears are. This is where the mega bears are getting their data. Right here. So they're looking at this shelf. And yeah, we did break down to 49K. So then all the bears started salivating, started drooling. And they were looking at this 42. And it's not out of pocket to have a massive correction like that. I'm not saying it's not. But look at how much bullshit we've gone through macroeconomically, and BlackRock has still bought up all this shit. All of these institutions are not we saw a few weeks where some of the smaller ones were, but the main one, BlackRock, has not given any Fs. And a lot of people are looking to capture entry points right here. Now I have buy orders at this level, but I don't think we're going to get them filled. They might just be orders that never get filled for myself. Let me know in the chat, where are you at on this? Where are you at on this? Maybe I should put a poll in there. I want to get you guys' sentiment. I want to know how you're feeling about this market. Like, is 42 the next stop on our quick ride to hell? Is 42 where this market has to fall down to reset? Or do you feel like this 50 to 60 range is fine to coil with it? Because I am on the more bullish side. I think that, we're magnetized to the 60K level. I almost want to just shoot from the hip and be like, the next time I see it get near 60K, I'm slamming into a long. I'll look at the charts here in a second. I do want to put a poll up here, though. Let's see if I can put a poll up live. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, I got access to this bad boy. All right, start a poll. Bearish. Let's see here. Which comes first? Bam. And then we type in, let's say, 70K. We got 70K, or we got, let's go down to, let's say just 45. Let's give the Bears some love. Let's say 45. Okay. I'm going to put that poll in there. Oh, yeah. Still holding for 10K. Sack Nasty. Shout out to you. What a dumbass. I can't believe Ben said that. And a lot of influencers said that. The cost to mine it was $20,000 at the time. It made no sense. It made no sense. Basically broke apart the entire 4-year cycle theory, if that were to occur. So stupid. So stupid. And people still listen to that guy. That's another pain thing about this, is that I'm not like great at engagement farming. I don't get on and be like, say good morning back if you mean it. I'm not like trying to just grow my account just for the looks. I'm trying to help people. I'm trying to help myself. Jesus. Thank you for the like on the algorithm there, buddy. I forgot to ask for likes. Look how bad I am. Like the stream, retweet, re-X the stream. And you know what? Support our channel partners. We got Arculus Cold Storage Wallet. Use code BASE10. We got a link in the description. You get 10% off of a cold storage wallet. It's the best in the business. You can trade with us at CoinW. Get a lot of training out of the Telegram group that Josh has set up in there. You can trade with me on 2Bit. You get some great bonuses back. Get like $200 back if you put in $2,000. What's bad about that? Then we got High Block Capital. Fantastic. Now let's check out High Block Capital. Speaking of which, let's check out High Block Capital. I want to see where this damn liquidity lives. Page not found. Get out of my face. Oh, God. What is happening here? Hold on. It might like show something weird. I got to sign in. There we go. There we go. All right. I do like to use the old version as well. So don't long Bencoin that. I would. Jesus Christ. If you love pain, then have at it. Now, the old version has the liquidation heat map. Holy God. So this is a 7-day. Look at the liquidity. Well, now we have a thick yellow line sitting here at $66,000. Fuck. Oh, but there is some stuff below us here. Let's check it out. Golly. And there's a bit. 59.4. And there's a bit at just under 60K, 59.9. But look at the difference in the liquidity grab. Should the price go up to $66,700, that is a lot of liquidations. That is looking quite juicy. Let's go back here. Let's just run another one. I'll have multiple High Block Capital. And I'm going over. It took me some time to get my hot water. I needed some hot water. These partnerships are huge. These are the best partnerships ever. Okay? Fantastic. Maybe the best. I'm terrible at a Trump impersonation, but I'll do I'm never going to stop. I'm never going to stop impersonating Trump. There's nothing anyone can do about that. All right, let's check it. Yeah. And this is a more short-term time frame. 60,600. Okay. And I am more of a scalp trader. I like using the 12-hour more than anything. For leverage trading, I mean. 60,600. Okay. Let's go back over to the good old 2-bit exchange. We're getting close. We're getting 60,800. Let's see here. We're on the daily, though. We got to zoom in. When your tisms kick in, zoom in. Let's see here. Ooh, baby. We're almost getting right back to that spot. There's that little volume node, that little nub right there. Ooh. Oh. I might enter this live. I might enter this live. Thank you, Morgan. You thought it was pretty good. You know, I'm up against Sean Farash. He's the best in the business when it comes to impersonating Trump. He is the best. Now, this kind of is enticing me. JD Vance single-handedly saved the bull market. This thing just pumped the entire time JD Vance spoke last night. It was quite a sight to see. Fantastic. Let's see here. So on the 5-minute, let's see. Another thick-ass node right there at 8. Jeez. This is looking kind of juicy. The RSI is not all the way to the bottom side, though. And look at this squiggly little bastard. I'll move my face out of the way. Maybe make this bigger. Look at this squiggly little asshole. That looks weird. That's some coiling action right there. Whew. This is a 5-minute. She's setting up for a move. She's setting up for a move, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, man. Oh, man. Shane Gillis is amazing, too. I've never heard that guy. Yeah, Sean is the MAGA coin guy. He is so good. When up. God, I mean, I don't need much up. I could make $1,000 if I just long this from here to here. If this thing just moves $1,000, I can make $1,000 right now on a trade. Oh, it's getting close to the $60,600 level. Oh boy! And look at 6 cents. It's right just below these wicks. So that's what they do. They set their stop losses just below this wiki dick here, and then wham! It sucks it up and frickin' heads up to the north side. Jesus, this is pure chaos and tism. If you are out there sharing these moments with me, use code BASEMENT on 2bit. This is a good exchange. I like this exchange. They support the channel well. Let's see here. Because what I really want to find here is the bounce from 60. Chung, 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 ching, chong, boom. That's what I'm looking for. That would be big money. That would be big money. Jamie Foxx has a good Trump impression? What? How did I miss this? How did I miss Jamie Foxx Trump impersonation? Hold on. I got to see this. Hold on. Oh, boy. I don't know if I'm getting, you get me easily distracted here. I'm having fun. You are the best Trump impersonator. All right. Adam Baumbetti thinks I'm pretty good. Jamie Foxx Trump impersonation. Let's see. I love how I just use X to find things now because Google sucks ass. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Oh my God, I think I found it. Get out of my face.
Vote for me at the time. Now he can vote for me once he gets out. I love Snoop Deal, Double G, great person.
So do you love Death Row Records?
I love Death Row. I love Death. Excuse me. Fake news. I love Death Row.
What's your favorite Death Row record, Mr. Trump?
All of them. I love the Death Row records. Don't try to pin me.
Dude, that was incredible. Holy God. Holy God, that was amazing. That was absolutely incredible. Shout out. That was damn good. All right, where are we at here? Because I do definitely kind of feel like putting in this trade. We did get the wick. Where'd the wick go to? 60. Yeah, I saw the wick. I saw this wick. Seen this wick. The liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity living here, though. A lot of liquidity. Come on, baby. Come on. You know how I roll. What, am I even logged in? Hold on. I'm gonna log in with the damn screen on like Isaac wants me to do, and to change all my stuff. The child. Let's see here. Bam. Gonna get this going because that's 60,600. That looks pretty damn juicy. That looks pretty damn juicy for me on a scalp. Let's see what I can get. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. All right. Logged in. All right. God, Jamie Foxx just blew my mind. That was incredible. At the low of pre-market, TradFi pre-market. Oof. I was trying to tick up a little bit. Let's see here. I bet you I can still get that 600s washout though. That would be damn juicy to get that. So that's kind of what I'm watching here. It's kind of what I'm watching. Another thing I saw last night is some good altcoin action here. I don't even think Potential Tau gave much of many F's at all about this market pullback. I mean, it's looking pretty damn flat. Sure, there's some, freaking fluctuations there, and this shelf is sitting right here, but honestly, this thing ain't giving up much. Aerodrome, no F's given. Let's go to Aerodrome. Still above $1. Fantastic. Feeling good about this. Oh, come on. Wick down, you savage. You savage. It's gonna do it. Doesn't have to do it, but would be juicy. Maybe. All right, I'll let you guys to decide this. Should I sit here waiting around for $60,600? Should I just hammer into this thing right now? 1 for wait, 2 for hammer. Put it in the chat. Tell me. I'm torn. Am I going to get this? Where's the high block? Where's the high block? Sitting here waiting for this ick. Oh, it's just about 60,050. 650. Breezy says hammer in. Bros thinks hold on. 2, 1. Toe. So hold off is winning right now. Hold off is winning. My God. Okay. Hold off is winning. Hold off is winning 2-to-1 odds. Big time now. All right. Follow your conviction. I mean, my conviction is for your cycle. My conviction is for your cycle. I don't want to short this market. I did a slight short on Sunday, got stopped out in slight profit, and then the market just nuked. And I wanted to puke because I would have made like 10 grand off the damn trade. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This market knows how to break your heart either way you're going. It's incredible. All right. So, yeah, I'm going to do 2 longs. Do both. 2 longs. I mean, it's looking pretty reasonable. It's looking pretty reasonable. Got my head ripped off. Be careful this morning. How are you typing if you got your head ripped off? Remember that scene in Dumb and Dumber where they sold a dead parakeet to a blind kid? They taped the head back on. That was jacked up, man. That was jacked up. I hope that was a fake bird. Jim Carrey. Unbelievable. Relogic. Got his head ripped off. Were you long in Relogic up here? All right, so. Oh, yeah, there we go. Come on. Because it's, oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. But on the 1 minute, she's trying to swoop back up. Look, that RSI is real low on the 1 minute. Ooh. This is enticing. This is enticing. We'll put a stop loss on this. We're getting pretty damn close. He's dating a praying mantis. That's a good call. Lloyd was mental. Yes. Leverage. Yes. Relogic. Leverage will get you. Leverage will get you. You got to use stop losses. Got to use stop losses. All right. So let's see. This is kind of a telltale how well it defends. This is on the 1 minute, very zoomed in. It's trying to fall off a little cliff here on the 5 minute. Love to see it. This is the 15 minute. Honestly, we're right in the pocket. We're right in the pocket. I'm fucking doing it. I'm going in. I'm going in. Maybe I can get 700 flat. Famous last words. You son of a bitch. Look at this thing. It's teasing me. It's teasing me. Stop teasing me, Bitcoin. Jesus. All right. Well, we're doing it. I'm doing it. I'm just going to set a stop loss. Let's get it 50. Come on, you tease. Come on, you tease. I feel like you guys are watching me pull a handle at a, what'd you call it? One of those machines in the casinos. It's great. What's my leverage at? 34. All right. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, she's defending this hard. Do you see how fast she's bouncing? Defending it hard. Let's see here. Oh. 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 Bobby. There we go. There we go. There we go. Give me that. Oh. All right. Well, you're going to have to join me at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to see how that played out. It was full send. Put in my stop losses or whatever, but I'm out here risking it for the biscuit. Last night was a great move. Made like nearly 60% on the whole bag. Feeling good, feeling spicy. Hope all of you are locked in and paying attention to crypto in a very focused way right now, because the world in tandem is all turning on their money printers. The 4-year cycle is still king, and the system is collapsing into the system of Bitcoin, and you're here to catch it. So with that being said, I love and appreciate every single one of you out there watching the show. Morgan Powell, Mr. Mark, Crypto Pricey, Relogic, Astro Magnus, Veteran Crypto, Token Tide Temptress, Laserface, Adam Bombetti, and Prep Crypto down in the Rumble chat. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you at 12 p.m. Let's see how it goes. Take care.